In this video, you'll learn how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams in just a few minutes so you can retrieve important conversations that you accidentally lost. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in with your account. Note that Teams users can't directly recover deleted messages from the app, but there are a few methods that can help retrieve them. Next, check if you have admin access. If you're an admin in your organization, you can use the Microsoft Compliance Center, also known as Microsoft Purview, to search for deleted Teams messages stored in user mailboxes. Now, go to compliance.microsoft.com and sign in with your admin account. Navigate to Content Search, create a new search, and select the user whose deleted messages you want to recover from their account. After that, set the search parameters. Use keywords, date ranges, or specific Teams chats to narrow down the results. When the search is complete, you can preview the messages and export them as a PST file. Once exported, open the PST file in Microsoft Outlook to view the recovered messages. This is the most reliable way to find deleted Teams content, especially when working in a corporate environment with the right permissions. And that's it. You now know how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams effectively.